Tom is coming home from school.
Tom hears a little sound.
Meow, meow, meow.
A small cat is cold and scared.
Tom wants to help the little cat.
The cat looks very sad. Tom keeps the kitten warm.
Tom takes the kitten home safely.
Mom thinks the kitten is cute. The kitten is hungry. The cat drinks warm milk.
Tom cares for the little cat.
The kitten feels safe.
Tom likes his new friend.
The little cat looks around curiously.
Tom wants to play.
The kitten runs very fast.
Tom has fun with the kitten. The kitten loves to play.
Tom is kind to animals.
Rain falls outside the window.
Tom prepares a small bed.
The kitten feels sleepy.
Tom reads before bedtime.
The kitten likes Tom very much.
Mom smiles at the happy children.
The kitten plays around the room. Tom keeps the kitten clean.
The kitten feels comfortable.
Tom gives food to the kitten.
The kitten feels playful.
They watch the rain together.
The kitten is very tired now.
Good night, little friend.
The kitten feels warm and safe.
Nighttime has come.
The kitten sleeps peacefully.
Tom feels happy inside. The night is calm and peaceful.
The kitten dreams peacefully.
Tom and the kitten rest together.
The little cat has found a loving family.